If one can't eat legumes, what can they eat instead to get the same nutrients?
That is a very good question. So the things that legumes have that are really cool. So legumes are our most nutrient-dense starchy foods on average. They have high protein, high fiber, high mineral, high vitamin, and high polyphenol content. So they're like packed with nutrition. In a lot of studies, nuts and seeds are actually pooled together with legumes when they're looking at, how different diet patterns impact health. Nuts and seeds have pretty similar amounts of fiber and protein. They have higher fat content, which is why they're also more energy dense. Similar vitamins and minerals, and similar phytonutrients like polyphenol content. So I'd say nuts and seeds are probably the closest food nutritionally. In terms of fiber and polyphenols, also, root vegetables are going to be fairly similar, especially something like winter squash, which I realize is a botanical fruit, but it's categorized as a root vegetable. Sweet potatoes, parsnips, beets are all going to have, some overlap in terms of nutrition. Um, but there's nothing in like legumes are very health promoting because they're such a nutritionally efficient food. But there's nothing in legumes that we can't get from other sources. So eating some root vegetables, some nuts and seeds, maybe using whole grains to get the fiber intake up, making sure we're getting enough vegetables and fruit in general, like that's going to cover the same nutritional bases.